Hello, it's Cam from Stafford Land Rover showing today this brand new Land Rover Range Rover Sport Autobiography Edition finished in Borasco Grey. This model comes with a 3-litre diesel D300 engine and is paired to an automatic gearbox. The large front digital LED headlights will keep the road well illuminated, offering great visibility for the driver, especially at night, and this car stands on 23-inch alloy wheels with the gloss black design. This Range Rover Sport features around 647 litres of usable boot space capacity, allowing room for larger luggage items as well as shopping, golf clubs or even a pushchair. There is also an automatic boot close button located up at the top. Stepping into the back of the car, we can find the Ebony semi-Aniline perforated leather seats with the matching Ebony interior. These seats do contain ISOFIX points, and there is a fold-down armrest as well, which houses 2 exposed cup holders as well as a storage tray. And rear passengers can also utilise their own climate control vent with 2 USB-C ports and a 12-volt socket included. Making our way into the front of the cabin, we can find the continuation of the Ebony interior, and the seats are the same as in the back, with this time with additional side support for extra comfort. They are also electronically operated, found on the door sill. Here's a closer look at the multifunctional 3-spoke leather-wrapped steering wheel, which has controls on the left for the virtual cockpit as well as the hands-free telephone and voice control, and on the right for the cruise control options and the heated steering wheel. The virtual cockpit has different display layout options to best suit driver preference. These include dial, focused and map. And speaking of map, the main touchscreen infotainment system does come with satellite navigation with useful shortcuts such as nearby fuel stations. We can connect to radio with FM and DAB as well as Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The controls for the heated and ventilated seats are found here as well, with varying levels of power to best suit the current weather conditions, and by clicking the camera icon we can bring up the 3D parking cameras and the satellite imagery to help manoeuvre this larger vehicle. Forward of the centre console there is a storage tray for your phone while on the road, and behind is a set of covered cup holders which can also be slid back to reveal more storage and a USB-C port. Finally, the armrest can be lifted up to reveal a deep storage pocket as well. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video on this brand new Land Rover Range Rover Sport Autobiography Edition. For more information, please get in touch with our sales team now.